accord will be signed when she alone is here. Now, whether that happens or not, of course, remains to be seen.
Okay. Taking positions on this at the last minute today, this embarrassment that was caused to the Prime Minister's office, Jayanta Ghoshal, senior journalist with the Anandabazar Patrika Group, KC Singh, former Secretary of the Ministry of External Affairs, and Veena Sikri, former Indian High Commissioner to Bangladesh. May I ask you, Ms. Sikri, what do you make of what happened at the last minute? I mean, is this the way it usually happens? The Prime Minister having to change his agenda because of a political tantrum at home. This could have been solved much, much earlier without all this grandstanding.
Well, you know, these negotiations are trilateral. And any triangular negotiation, like any triangular relationship, is very difficult. You have negotiations between the PMO and MEA on one hand and the government of Bangladesh on the other for the international aspect. And you have negotiations within India between the state government, which looks after water as a subject, and the central government. Now, obviously, at some point, there has been a mismatch. And it is true that in these negotiations, the issues have also been quite clearly spelled out. There is the run of the river issue as to how much water should be in the river at all time. And there is the issue of sharing the remainder part of the water between India and Bangladesh. I think in the previous Ganga Waters Treaty negotiation between India and Bangladesh, the government of West Bengal played a very crucial role. The then Chief Minister Jyoti Basu was an absolutely crucial input to bringing the Ganga Waters Treaty about. This time around, I think maybe Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee feels that she should have played an equally crucial role. And maybe that is why at the last minute these issues have come up. But I still hope that there will be a possibility, because this was never anticipated to be a treaty. It is only anticipated as an interim sharing agreement for the next 15 years. And in the meanwhile, the two sides have to conduct a joint hydrological survey to actually decide how much water there is in the river and how much can be divided between the two sides.
You know, we are looking extremely unsure.
I do hope that the Chief Minister, on one hand, government will come and see this part and come to a decision even by tomorrow, by which an interim agreement of some kind can be worked out. Perhaps they can have a range of sharing and not have specific figures. Perhaps they can have something predicated on the joint hydrological survey.
I'm sure
I think there are possibilities which can be looked at, and I think they should be looked at, because the Teesta interim agreement for the Bangladesh side is one of the most important aspects of Dr.
No, that's Veena Sikri.
Even when Sheikh Hasina came last year, there was an expectation that there would be an interim agreement.
Veena Sikri, we can't look so unsure as a country. That's the point. Jayanta Ghoshal, we can't. This is a huge political victory, I'm sure, for Mamata Banerjee. She's going to tom-tom this all over West Bengal. She'll say, I got this. I got the government not to agree. This is my clout, etc. But, you know, what about the embarrassment that this has caused on the eve of such an important visit, when the relationship between India and Bangladesh, it is so important not to do this drama at the last minute in public. These discussions can happen behind closed doors without the standard tantrum, I won't go with you. You can make your point without being so obvious about it, which deeply embarrasses the country, the government, the Prime Minister.
No, actually, Arnab, I am not a representative of Mamata Banerjee or Trinamool Congress, but being an independent journalist, I talked to Mamata on this issue at length, and I understood that there is a case for Mamata, because what she did, that is not anti-Bangladesh move or anti-Dr. Manmohan Singh move. What she did, she tried to explain that she is the Chief Minister of Bengal and she can't compromise the interest of Bengal. Foreign policy is not an abstract subject. It's attached to your domestic issue. But Mamata Banerjee, last 15 days, Arnab, she tried to negotiate this issue, and she has some complaint. I'm telling you specific. Number one, Government of India shown the document of border management and the other issues, but they didn't show the full text of the Teesta agreement in actually
that's
to
not
Mamata.
The point is not, the argument is not on the merits of Mamata Banerjee's of what she's saying. I'm sure it makes a lot of sense, but that is not the point, is it? The point is, you don't behave like a petulant child. That at the last minute, KC Singh, you say, I won't come with you on the trip. I mean, there are manners in which there's a finesse
No,
to which...
actually, it is not the last minute, actually, Arnav.
Well, whether
actually,
she has pulled out at the last minute.
Last 15 days, she negotiated. She never uttered a single sentence. It's a mishandling of the government of India is also there.
Sure, you
like
can make
Anna issue, it's a mishandling of the government also, Arnav.
Sure, it can be mishandling of the government, but is this the way to go about it? KC, what do you think? Is this the way to go about it?
Well, Arnav, my information is that what the preceding presenter was saying is absolutely correct, because her representative in the union cabinet had brought to the attention of the union government some weeks ago the reservations that the state government has. After that, the National Security Advisor went there once and then he went again. So this is a typical case of the domestic policy and your foreign policy not being synchronized. And you can't do this because river waters are a very emotive issue. We've seen it between Punjab and Haryana. We've seen it in the southern states, between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. And between an upper riparian and a lower riparian, it needs a lot of close work, coordination before you start distributing water. And she's just taken over as a chief minister. It's understandable. And Mamta, we know her style of functioning.
No, but then
it's known that she has a certain clout within the coalition. So there had to be a political handling of Mamta Banerjee. You do not send the NSA down there.
Yeah.
It should have been Pranab Da who should have gone and handled her.
Point taken.
And he's obviously not done it.
Yeah.
And therefore, you've got egg on your face.
Totally.
This issue should not have been brought into the public domain till you had cooked it and fried it properly.
Totally.
And it's a visit otherwise.
No, but you see,
Bangladesh is a country that we need to consolidate a relationship with. Sheikh Hasina has taken a number of steps in the counterterrorism field. We need connectivity not only to our northeastern states, but through that to the rest of Asia.
KC,
so
here's
it's
a question.
Very integral to developing that whole part of India and beyond.
Yeah, KC, here's a question. Yeah, I think you got a complete point. I think Mamta Banerjee has been very badly managed politically. You cannot let a bureaucratic approach in dealing with Mamta Banerjee. She's a politician. She will need to be spoken in a clear political language, what the pros and cons are. It's terrible political management. To that extent, you are completely right. But Veena Sikri, coming back to you, it raises a question. Look at the duality of the government of India when it comes to water sharing issues between the northeastern states, building of dams by China vis-a-vis the northeastern states, where you're being totally unquestioning vis-a-vis China. Again, the argument we put is we need good relations with China. So you're being over-generous with Bangladesh, even compromising your domestic interests in the name of bilateral ties. And you're being unquestioning with China on the whole dam issue, again on the question of saying that this is the way diplomacy is conducted. Do you think this government has got its basic policies completely wrong on water sharing with neighbors? And so it's building bridges, but in completely the wrong way.
I think that the issue of water sharing internationally, as KC said, equally as domestically, is very sensitive and important. And I think that at every stage, it does require a determination that you have to find a solution, because not finding a solution is worse than actually delaying, than allowing this problem to fester. So we have to find a solution on this issue with Bangladesh, on the Teesta River and the Feni River, because these issues predate 1971. Between 1947 and 1971, this is what we were arguing with the then government of East Pakistan. And now we have been doing this for 40 years with the government of Bangladesh. We have to find a solution, and there is no better moment than now, because the whole issue, all the issues that Dr. Manmohan Singh is taking with him are coming out as a whole package.
Yeah.
There is the border issue, the trade issue, the transit issue, and the water sharing issue, and of course the $1 billion credit line. So we can't leave out one aspect of the package and then hope that the others will compensate.
You're totally right.
So I think if we give due importance to what is the package that Dr. Manmohan Singh has been looking at, and water sharing for the Bangladesh side was the most important component of the package, to be followed only by access of Bangladesh goods to the Indian market. So we can't now leave out this most important part of the package for Bangladesh and look only at the others.
No,
the Teesta waters affect very deeply the north of Bangladesh, the regions adjacent to Cooch Behar. And if we leave these out then and put in all the others, it will look as though, you know, something has happened.
I think
that may have been pre-planned.
I think
There will be a conspiracy theory about this.
You say
you know, Bangladesh is very big specialist in conspiracy theories. So let us please work hard on this and take as much importance to water, and I would say that even on the Brahmaputra, I would say that equal importance to be given to discussion on this with the Chinese government.
But
we can't let the Chinese government do what they want, just like we are the lower riparian against China, Bangladesh is the lower riparian to us.
But there's a difference. You see, Veena, the difference is the
issue of the lower riparian as much as we want our lower riparian concerns to be taken into account by China.
The difference is, Ms. Sikri, that in Assam, you know, Tarun Gogoi will not get belligerent and pushy with the Prime Minister. But Mamta Banerjee does not have to do that. She has her own base, her own political party. She's using her clout. Do you think, you said you spoke to Jayanta Ghoshal. Do you think she's also hurt by the fact that, you know, instead of a senior politician explaining like Pranab Mukherjee, Shiv Shankar Menon was sent to Kolkata to talk to her? Because in 1996, I remember when the Farakka Waters Agreement was reached, at every stage, the left front government and then Jyoti Basu was kept informed at every stage before it was reached. Even then there was a need to sign an agreement, but it wasn't done like this. Jayanto, you think that's the reason why she's...
No, exactly, Arnav, I completely agree with you. When Farakka agreement took place, that time Mr. Devegowda was the Prime Minister, and there were, I checked, 5 meetings took place, and you know, that time Mr. Dev Mukherjee, he was a daily passenger, actually daily passenger. He used to go to Calcutta frequently from Dhaka, Delhi and Calcutta, and actually this time, when CCPA took place, Dinesh Trivedi, he was telling me that suddenly he got the paper and he suddenly found that there is an agreement on Bangladesh water treaty, and he informed Mamta that this is a treaty, and Mamta said that you fax me, I want to know what it is. And then they reacted, this is not the right way.
Absolutely.
When you want to form an immediate decision on Sri Lanka, can you afford to ignore
Absolutely
DMK
not.
or EIADMK?
Absolutely not.
So actually,
absolutely not. Absolutely
this is
not.
The right approach.
But why then,
in fact, Arnab, I just want to give you one small piece of information that Prime Minister also has realized it. Prime Minister called Mamta Banerjee at 8 p.m. today, and he also actually Prime Minister he told Mamta that it is still we are hopeful, because Mamta is not against the Teesta agreement. Sir, Mamta is not against the Bangladesh. And again, another information I am giving you, that Sheikh Hasina sent one representative to Mamta with a letter of Sheikh Hasina, and Mamta told the representative of Sheikh Hasina that I am not against Bangladesh, I am not against the treaty, and this treaty will take place. But actually, I want that West Bengal should not be ignored.
But why?
So I am not going against your other agreement.
No, I get your point. But Casey,
this is and all these issues.
Casey, please explain this to me. Every country defends its national interest to the last point. This is such a landmark deal that you are signing between India and Bangladesh. It will forever determine the distribution of waters. Why is the government or the Prime Minister's office or anyone in such a tearing hurry so as to go about it in a way that in the last minute, you know, Mamta Banerjee gets to know what's happening, and this, isn't it?
No, this is a bureaucratic approach, and that's what I was hinting at the beginning.
Yeah,
exactly. I think they need to do urgently damage control. They probably need to set up maybe a working group on this, announce a working group, particularly if the Prime Minister of Bangladesh has called up Mamta Banerjee, then even if Mamta Banerjee doesn't go, at least make it known that two of them are in touch. There's a working group, and in a time-bound manner, there can be a study which can be conducted on the amount, the cusics of water flowing in that river, how it can be shared, and not one of these arbitrary things you decide in Delhi and you tell a state to do it, because this is just not going to work in a federal scheme of things, and certainly not with an ally whose members of parliament are really a very important component of the coalition that you have. So this is time and again what we see, Anna Hazare agitation, this, that. It's always this bureaucratic handling where you then pass the buck to someone else. You do not do political handling. Is it because this government really doesn't have Sonia Gandhi's steady hand on it? I don't know. But there is some political handling which is missing.
Right. Okay. KC Singh, Jayanta Ghoshal, Veena Sikri. You know, there is so many lessons out of this. This is an important agreement. To a large extent, Mamata Banerjee has raised the question very well. I mean, it's a right issue for her to raise. Only question is, should she have raised it in the manner that she did? That's a matter of speculation, but then she's a politician. She has to address her constituency. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on that.